My name is Singh. So this is the video that we're gonna learn how to improve our arm strength, and also you can make your arms very beautiful. So there is the two techniques. Technique number one is for beginners. Technique number two is for advanced or intermediate people. So you can improve your asana to make your arm balance and also good for your whole body. So let's begin with the class. So thank you very much and see you soon in the class. Inhale, raise your hands up, bend forward. This is a level 1 for beginners. Be mindfulness and follow the steps. Slowly move forward, elbows beside the body and slowly down. Okay, move your body to the front, stretch your body to the cobra pose, and then back to the Guru Namaskar Asana, knee chest chin down, and then move your body back. Remember, elbow must be on the floor while you're moving back. So elbow down and then slowly elbow up and then go down. Elbows will be, remember, always beside the body. Stretch your body and then the same way we go back. Bend your elbows beside the body and push your body back. Elbows will be on the floor and on the child pose. Then we can do this technique like many times, 5 to 10 or 20 times. Is depend on our body, because whenever we practice we always remember our feeling. If you're tired, feel free to take a rest anytime. And we move to that level number 2. So that is the intermediate and the advanced technique. We start with the mountain pose and then slowly bend your knees, chest chin down, Guru Namaskar and full cobra. Here we're not gonna put our elbows down. So remember, we move back to the mountain pose, Parvatasana, and here always we need to just go step by step. We don't need to put our elbows down as we did in the level 1. But here is just remember only few things. If you cannot do like level 2, we just try level 1. Girls and the boys, all body is not the same. So I hope you enjoy this video and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.